Hello. Well, once again, welcome to realistic character modeling, game character modeling. So, where we will start where we left. So, before going to do, just soften the edge. Here it is, and read the history, and it will actually this part will automatically created as it is. I have used instance of this model of this right part. Now, select that two edges and go to that one and extrude, simply extrude that one, and you just uh, put it in the right side. It is, and just rotate little bit. Here it is. Just rotate little bit to get this edge here, and also this one, it will go here, and select that one, shift select that one, move. I have to move that one here, and also move that this polys here. I have to rotate, select that one and rotate that one little bit here. Also I need to rotate that one, and select and shift select that one, and also I will do extrude. Okay, uh, go to the extrude option, and then go to that little bit. I have to follow this one. GW, G, and rotate that one. R, W, press the W and press the G, extrude that one, and then after that I will adjust it. Okay, here it is. Because it is as it is not matching exactly the image, so I have to uh, select one. I will adjust one edge here. Okay, so it will go roughly here, and it will also go roughly here and here. Not too much, little bit. Okay, then I have to rotate this edge like this one, and I have to rotate this edge like this one. Here it is, and I have to rotate more, then select these edges and press the W and shift select that edge. It will automatically selected that one. G and the press the W key here. Mm, rotate this, go to the vertex mode and rotate this edge here. Press the W and I have to little bit adjust that one. Once again I have to select the edges, shift select that edges and then G key, press W to rotate and move that one. I will adjust these edges as these edges, as like that edges. Here is the chin here, so it will move like that one. Go to the vertex mode and yeah, and little bit like this type. Yes. Now I'll move this vertex to get more space here. And then I will select in this area. Here it is. Move that one. Rotate and move that one. Yeah. Here I will move it. Here I will move it here. I have to adjust this one. Then once again extrude that one. Extrude that one. I've also manage it here. Rotate in this direction, and I have to rotate this one is all like this one. I also rotate this part, these edges. Okay, once again extrude the edge and rotate these edges here. Yeah. Move these edges little bit. Go to this direction, so I have to maintain that one, and this portion little bit come outer, and this will go little bit inside. There it is. Yeah, here it is. So you have to move little bit more towards inside that one, and it will come outside little bit. Okay, so here is that. select that one and go to the normal and soft soften the edges. Okay, so here it is. I have to freeze this, um, clear these areas. Yeah, I also move this vertex little bit outside and see if there is any problem or not. No problem at all. So I have to give this edges to this point. Then side view of that, it's fine. Okay, there it is. Then we will add this, extrude and add this to this point. So once again do the extrude here, matching this edge or cut here. So we will match that, this edge will match here. Okay, so extrude this position and I have to see here. Then I have to move this little bit upward. Front side means front side. Yeah, yeah, and the select and shift select that one. G key, press W to extrude and move that one little bit here. And once again extrude that one and match here, and see. Yeah, now I will merge this vertex, this point and this point. So go to the merge vertex tool here, uh, merge this, just select this vertex and drag your cursor over to the vertex and it will automatically move that one. Okay, so I have to adjust this one with a good flow of cut. Yeah, mhm, yeah, move little bit towards this, inside the inside area. Now it's, I think it's very closer. History delete once again, soften the edge here, history delete. I will extrude that one once again and I have to adjust little bit this vertex. Here I will, these edges will go like this, this way. So I will set that it will go like this one. This edge also go like this one. So make it sure whether it is going or not. Then I will select these edges here and extrude that one, and then press the R key, scale key, to bring down, scale down. So it will go here, and it will go here, and it will come here. It's like it will go here. So and match maximum possibility, so you can reach. Here it is, here it is, in this position. These two edges, it will come here. So position as you can do much better. And once again extrude that one, G, and press the scale key to bring down, and we will move this vertex to these edges. Here it is, here it is. Just close it as much as you can do. Move it a little bit here, and it's now closer. Yeah. Once again, just go to these few edges, it will come outside little bit, and here go to the side view. Here it is. Then I will restrict it. I will just down little bit right now to match that one. Go to the wireframe on shaded, so I can match that one with the yeah. Now it is all right. Here it is. Move that this vertex here, this vertex here, and this vertex here. Okay, and move this vertex here, and move this vertex here little bit, and here not too much, like this one, and move this vertex here and here. Now history delete, normal, go to the soften edge. Okay, there it is. So in the next video we will do the eye and do the nose. Till then, thanks.